If I had to write a review, I guess I'm all done watching both series. The Tita is better than the Ultraman Dyna. Not because this had an English dub originally, because I just like the ending better. Not because this had 52 episodes, I just like the ending better of the series. I don't like the idea of Dinah dying and stuff, getting defeated by the monsters and having the super guts that have to do it for him in the end. And in the movie he comes back. I think that's just crazy. Yeah. How is the wolf? I think the Tita's better. I'm sorry. I just think the Tita's better. Yeah.